Hey guys, back with me again in the channel. On today's video I'm gonna show you how to play free games on Google. So to play a free games on Google, you need to open the Chrome or the browser on your mobile, and then here at the Google search you can just type in for example, you want to play the snake game, you can just click on snake game, just type on that, and here you'll see the games that is related to snakes. You can just click on play, and then here you can just click again on play, and you can start playing the game. So when you're done, you can just click on close or the cross button here, and here there are also other games or suggested games that you can play on Google. You can just click on any of them. For example, I want to play Pac-Man, and you can just press on play like this. Okay, so that's so easy. That is how you can play free games on Google. Pretty easy, right? If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it from me today. See you guys next time.